myself, got paradise. I can't control myself, got paradise. I tell her, tell her, I tell her, think myself. I tell her,
Hey everyone, it's DejaFitBeauty and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an ab workout. But before we get into the video, I do have a secret that I have to reveal to you guys. I have been keeping a very big secret from you for the last 3 months. And it's weighing on me, and I'm finally just going to let it all out. I'm just going to let it out and just be open and honest with you guys. Ta-da! I actually started my own supplement company. Yes, ladies, you heard that right. Deja Lewis, aka DejaFitBeauty, started her own supplement brand. This is my company that I built, okay? So the supplement company is called Her Nutra because I wanted to make sure that you ladies knew that these supplements were for you. These supplements were tailored and curated by me specifically for my fit queens who are struggling with their fitness, struggling with their weight loss, and just confused about what supplements they should take for their goals. I've been working on this since last year. We're trying to get the marketing right, the branding right, make sure we got the right supplements, make sure that the messaging is right for you ladies so there's no confusion as to like what this brand is about. As of right now, we have not launched the website, so you cannot go to the website and purchase anything. However, we're getting ready. We're in that pre-launch phase and we're ready to open up and share it with the world. So for our first launch, we're starting off with 5 products. We have our whey protein. This is the vanilla flavor, but we're actually gonna have chocolate and vanilla. We got some powdered greens. This is great for my ladies who don't get enough vegetables in their daily diet. And this tastes really good. We have BCAAs and a pre-workout. BCAAs is called Her Recovery. The pre-workout is called Her Motivation. This is great if you need that motivation in the morning to get up and get that workout in. The BCAAs are really good for recovery. So I usually take this before I work out, and then I drink this during or after my workout to make sure that my muscles recover. And lastly, we have what I like to call Lean Her, or pronounced leaner. Okay, I call this a fat loss support supplement. I do not like saying fat burner because to me this is not a fat, like the traditional fat burner that have your heart racing and all that crap. This is just I consider this a pre-workout in a bottle. So you're gonna get that caffeine kick, but you're also gonna get some enhancements such as your Hindi bark, L-tyrosine for focus. You got green tea extract and L-carnitine. All of these ingredients are great for focus and just tapping into that fat loss and just giving you that edge on your fat loss support. So ladies, if you all could just go to Instagram and follow Her Nutrition right now, the link is in the bio. All right, let's get into the ab workout. You won't need no equipment, of course. Just get some space to get on the ground and let's go.
I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way. What are you doing to me? Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this way. Though I'm broken, I'm still hoping I could be with you. I'm still breathing, it's not easy. I'm just a fool for you. Yeah, I'm just that stupid. Thought that we were meant meant to be. Yeah, I'm just that stupid. Maybe just a little time can make you change your mind about us. I thought that we were meant to be. Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this way. Though I'm broken, I'm still hoping I could be with you. I'm still breathing, it's not easy. I'm just a fool for you. I'm just a fool for you. I'm just a fool for you. For you. For you.
Get this party started. I got the music playing loud. How you like my outfit? I have to say I'm kinda proud. I got my dancing shoes on, and I'm feeling dangerous. Let's get this party started. Yeah, we gon' be adventurous. We went to the club like we always do. This girl caught my eye, said, how do you do? She said, I am not interested, thank you. Then she left the room.
Bartender.
I'll have the usual. Give me the usual. I'll take the usual. I'll have the usual. Give me the usual. Another usual. Up. Nothing's wrong with me yet, but maybe this bow tie was too much. I just have to be cool, looking like I'm Clint Eastwood. Ain't the bad or ugly, my mama said that I'm the good. We went to the club like we always do. This girl caught my eye, said, how do you do? She said, I am not interested, thank you. Then she left the room.
Bartender.
I'll have the usual. Give me the usual. I'll take the usual. I'll have the usual. Give me the usual. Another usual.
Mistakes now, 'cause I don't wanna stay, wanna live my own life, wanna feel passion for something or someone that makes
turn upside